Morning guys, welcome to another vlog. It's 5:30 a.m. now and I just woke up. My hair is so crazy, but we're gonna fetch Nikhita and the family at the airport at 6. So let's go. I don't know.
1, 2, 3.
Guys, we're going to film Pulau R&R Tapa. Hi! We're going to show them some local fruits and everything. Hi, Pratik! Hi, Pratik! Hi! So cute! Let's get down. Yeah, we're going to try some. What happened? This is our red jambu. Okay, they are trying out red jambu with salt. Yeah, with salt, flavoring salt. So how is it? Okay, yeah. Huh?
It's good.
Si acha? Nahi? Acha hai.
It's like the pear.
Oh yeah, it's pear, but it's sweeter. It's supposed to be sweet.
It's sweeter.
Yeah. Red jambu or guava? Guava. Jambu. Correct.
You try to?
Oh, Chinese. Yeah. Finally! Like what? Check out this view.
Finally!
Like gonna be like, why is that girl driving in the cab? Yes, guys, we are here. Yes. So guys, we've arrived in Switzerland. Finally! Like it's taken us forever. Wow. Guys, welcome to the beach. Another day, another beach. Beautiful.
I've never seen something like this in my life.
बहुत अच्छा है.
What a day. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up early and see this sunrise. Lovely.
So we'll first go to the pool, practice.
The pool is closed. They have to clean every night with chlorine and stuff. That's another terrace cafe.
Which one? Number?
472, 473. You have to take one floor downstairs. Tara, so cantik. Wow. Acha eh. Okay. And then you turn all of this.
Hi, it's pretty.
This our water.
The sky is full. It's amazing.
It's lit. You choose your bed.
Picture, what? I didn't
Choose.
know.
Because I want to sleep. Let's look at the view. There's no view. Oh god, it's locked. Yeah, I think it's open. Yep, you just have to push. Yes, girl. What? They're right there. Hi. in the
It's so amazing in
I
the
know.
morning.
In the morning you can see the
Yeah. It will be fun.
someone is talking.
All these videos.
We're gonna have some dinner, pizza, salad. Probably pizza. He's hi uncle. So we're just walking to our makan place. Nothing wrong with the girl with the selfie stick. So how's your first impression?
It's good. I like this place.
Very
It's
bad,
calm.
bad lighting. Sorry.
It's
Okay,
calm.
perfect.
Oh, that's
Chill. She's a first class. Oh, let's go to number 5. Let's go 5. I'm not gonna go up the stairs. But it's a first class. Yeah, it's a nice view of the
view is
dark
amazing.
ocean. But I'll show you
I
better
just forgot this
views.
already selfie stick. Yeah.
Better view. What your dad was. Better views in the morning. Okay, stay tuned. Ah. Oh, I hear some live music. Let's check it out.
Oh,
I think it's this garden.
maybe. I'll take picture of her.
So we got some vegetarian pizza, nasi goreng. So right now we are walking around the hotel, checking for nice. Wow, they have a jacuzzi. Ah! Holy moly! Let's go up the bridge. Let's go. I know it had to go up the pool.
Jacuzzi?
That's the jacuzzi.
That's jacuzzi?
Yeah, and that's
Oh my god.
this is okay. This is totally and this is the infinity pool. That one is deep end. You can't go.
Jacuzzi is a massaging
Yeah.
bathtub.
Oh, we have to go through there. Oh, we have to go through there. Let's go back.
Okay.
Wow, look guys, so pretty. There's a kids pool, multiple slides. I want to go up there tomorrow. Wow, it's so pretty, guys. I hope I won't drop you in the pool because that would kill me.
We'll come here tomorrow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay?
We should go swimming in the morning when there's nobody here and we could conquer the entire thing.
In the morning, we'll have bath here.
Yes. Before all the... Alright. That's the infinity pool. The deep end. It's a kiddie pool.
Oh, look at that.
It's so pretty.
And here you can see the sea.
Wow. And that's... Oh shit. That's the Thai restaurant.
Thai cuisine.
Now we're going up to the recreation center. Let's go. They used to have like table tennis. Right, so I'm gonna make hot Milo for Nikhita. But first I have to rinse this.
So I'm gonna make some hot Milo. For Nikhita. Hopefully she'll like it. So Milo. Like so. hot water. Simple. And we mix it. No sugar or anything yet. Okay. Hopefully you like it. No, I want to show you. But hot chocolate, Malaysian style, Milo. Can't go wrong with.
Okay, so
Can I try?
yeah, it's the first time to try Milo.
Yeah.
So here goes nothing. It's plain
Nice.
Milo. You're like, it's pause and think for a second.
Yeah, I have to think to give, honest opinions.
So Acha, it's without sugar, without milk. You're supposed to add
It's
both.
Both acha.
But Acha, I like it plain.
Yeah,
you know,
I like plain things. Actually,
Yes.
I don't add much sugar in
I don't add any
beverages.
sugar or milk.
Yeah, I don't add sugar in beverages.
So Milo is approved.
Milo, it's
Approved.
yeah.
Yes.